what if knowledge work could be an API? I was revisiting a article that I had on the blog last year around how service studios and agencies needed to, create their own agent swarms. And really the angle from that article was, oh, it'll make you more effective. Not so much that it could be a product that other people could use. What's so interesting about MCPs and APIs and agents and processes now is like services, for the most part, you're executing a collection of processes. A process is really just like a graph, right? It's a workflow. You've got nodes, you do different things in those nodes. Those nodes, especially lane graph, can be callable by API. APIs used to be this kind of scary, oh, it's only for really used by developers who are building products or building these bespoke integrations. But MCP really changes a lot of that. The AI agents, the AI chatbots, Claude, ChatGPT, your favorite coding assistant, Notion AI, Copilot are quickly becoming like the ever present surfaces for people to do work with and next to. And those surfaces very easily connect to MCPs, which are basically just like APIs. And so prior, like if you wanted to encode your process into an agent and then maybe sell that agent as opposed to selling your time, you would have to create this SaaS. Now you could probably expose it as an API and just charge for usage and have it connect to connect to an MCP, and it's instantly really easily integratable. And it's so interesting to think about how you might deliver an outcome of a service. So it's not, hey, like, give me the API endpoint so I can create a new task in linear. The API endpoint could be prioritize tasks and go into linear. And based on good frameworks and judgment of that API creator, just do what you were going to do as a product manager or project manager. There's a lot to think about. But yeah, knowledge work as an API. It's like knowledge work as an API, outcomes as an API, maybe results as an API, because everything is just a graph. And once you get into a graph, the hard part is reliability. There's currently a really massive skills gap from people who can spit out any agent that does something and then spit out an agent that does something and does it well and does it consistently well and does it usefully. So that could be a non-starter. But like if I could call IDEO through an endpoint while I'm just tippy tapping doing my work to have, I don't know, the IDEO way of creating a design sprint just boom with me, that could be cool. Curious to think what you all think about this. Like, drop any comments about knowledge work as an API. Do you think knowledge work could be an API? Things to think about.